Hi there and welcome to Jardine Motors Group and welcome to the brand new BMW 8 Series Coupe facelift. This has only just come out. It was announced around 3 to 4 months ago. So this is my first opportunity to see one in the flesh, and though there's not major changes that you can see on the face of it, there are a number of small tweaks and additions to this model which are very exciting to talk about today. At the end of this video, if you have any questions, feel free to get in contact with a member of staff at Jardine BMW, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel. So we now start to understand the model range for the BMW 8 Series Coupe facelift. This actually applies to the Coupe Convertible and Gran Coupe, which are all been facelifted at exactly the same time. And it's a very easy one to explain. We start off with the M Sport variant. That is the standard variant that this car comes with from the factory. And we have a choice of two engines. We have the 840i, which is rear-wheel drive, a 3-litre 6-cylinder engine with 333 horsepower. And then we have the M850i xDrive, a very impressive engine, a 4.4 V8 petrol engine with 530 horsepower, and as I mentioned, xDrive, that features fully variable four-wheel drive technology as standard. We now move on to the front of this car, and this is where you're going to see the most exclusive change on the exterior of this car: the front grille. The front grille now features a double bar design, which further accentuates that lower and wider centre of gravity that the 8 Series is known and famous for. But when we look further into it, you'll also see something else which you may not have actually heard of or seen before on any other model. It's been in the BMW range on a couple of models now for a couple of years, and it features iconic glow technology. Now, if you haven't heard of that, what that basically means is that that grille is going to light up at certain times of the day to match up with the same colour of the headlights, and it is so striking when you see it on the road. This features on other models, and if you'd like to see a video of the 8 Series convertible facelift, then please click on the link above. Especially in the kind of morning and evenings when it's starting to get dark at certain times of the year, to see that twinned up with the headlights, it really gives this car a presence on the road. Absolutely beautiful to see. Looking at the rear quarter of this car, there are no official new changes that you're going to see, but depending on options chosen for this car, there will be some things that you'll notice differently that you couldn't get before. So firstly, we'll talk about colours. 3 new optional colours at zero cost for this car: San Remo Green, Portimao Blue and Skyscraper Grey, all 3 of which look absolutely wonderful. We then have alloy wheel choices as well. This is a new alloy wheel choice for the 840i, and we also have for the M850i xDrive a standard alloy wheel choice which looks absolutely beautiful to align it more further with the M Performance range. We now finish on looking at the interior, and again, not a major amount of changes. However, we look closer and this operating system 7 within the 8 Series, which was the first vehicle to actually feature it with the BMW X5 when they both launched in 2018, has now received a larger screen. 20% larger, 10.25 inch to 12.3 inches. And it is really noticeable, especially when you stick the map up there and all of the fascias disappear. As we're driving along, we notice this massive display that you're about to see just now, and it really makes following the map very easy, very intuitive. And I have a proper driver cockpit located all around me. It is absolutely wonderful. So to sum up, not a major facelift, not lots of changes, but a nice few tweaks and additions into this car to keep it looking fresh and futuristic. If you have any questions, feel free to get in contact with a member of staff at Jardine BMW, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.